how are you? Welcome back to Aparna's Home TV, your one-stop destination for your everyday life. In today's video, I will show you how to make pani puri, water, masala, and pani puri. Of course, we are going to buy from the store and use it. So let's get this video started. Do try it and let me know how they turned out. There are so many tea time snacks available on my channel. If you didn't get a chance to check them out, link will be in the description box below. Try them out and let me know how they turned out. So let's look at the ingredients we need to make this yummy pani puri. I took 1.5 handfuls of chana. You can use white peas also, but I like using chana. 2 potatoes, 1.5 should be enough for a family of 4 to 5 people. 2 green chilies, 1 small piece of ginger, this small bunch of coriander for garnish for the curry, as well as it goes into the pani or water. Chaat masala, Maggi sweet and sour sauce, tamarind, mint leaves, and I'm using ready-made pani puri. I can show you how to make pani puri, but it will not turn out perfect. So that's why I decided to opt for unfried ready-made pani puri, which will be available in any Indian grocery store, especially in US. And all the spices that we need: dhania powder, salt to taste, turmeric powder, and maybe a little bit of chili powder if you prefer spicy. So let's get started by boiling our chana and potatoes. We'll put it in one pressure cooker for 3 whistles and they should be good enough. So let's get started. So small lemon sized tamarind is enough for our pani. So let's boil this and extract the tamarind juice, and we'll cut everything for the water. So let's get started. While the chana and potatoes are boiling, we can get this done. So all our ingredients are ready to go into the mixie. For the water, ginger and 2 green chilies and 1 handful of coriander leaves, 1 handful of mint leaves, and tamarind water. We'll squeeze the tamarind and use the entire cup of water, and then after the mixer is done, we'll add 2 more glasses of water. So that I'll show you afterwards, but now let's grind this. So now that we have grinded this, we are going to filter it using the tea filter so that any big pieces will not come into our water. Have some patience and make it.
Which doesn't have.
This is done, filtered. Now we are going to add 2 cups of plain water, cold water to it. One more cup should be good enough. Now that this water is ready, we'll adjust our spices. Dhania, salt to taste, and little bit of dhania powder, not too much. Pinch should be good enough, and around half teaspoon of chaat masala. Mix it once and give it a taste, and keep it in the fridge so that it will stay cold. Cold water gives nice taste to the pani puri, so keep that in mind when you are making your water. Let's taste it.
Is maida na Priya? Yes, maida.
Perfect, everything is good enough. So let's store it in the fridge. So here are our chana that is boiled nicely, and potatoes. Just mash and add it. Just like this. Mash completely and add it. It's hot, so be careful. deal with the food very carefully. Don't harm yourself. So last potato for me. And now we are going to add all our spices to it. Coriander for garnish. Pinch of turmeric. And chili powder, adjust according to your taste. I'm not adding too much, just a pinch. And dhania powder, 1/4 teaspoon. Salt to taste. And 1/2 teaspoon of chaat masala. This should be good enough. We'll mix everything nicely. Take a bigger bowl if you would like and mix nicely. Once I mix everything together, I'll show you how it turns out. Our masala is ready. It's time to assemble our pani puri. I'll show you once it's assembled. Just fry the unfried puris on medium heat, nicely heated medium heat oil, and they will puff up. You don't need to spend too much time. Also, everything from start to finish, if you plan correctly, 30 to 45 minutes you're done and you have your delicious pani puri. So let's make our puris. This is how I like to assemble my pani puri. Save. This recipe is already in my YouTube channel if you want to make it. Maggi sauce, pani puri, store-bought, fried on medium heat. They will puff up immediately, and masala, and of course our pani. I showed you how to make pani and masala. Do try it and let me know how it turned out. If you do like my videos, please do subscribe and share it with your friends. Thank you so much for watching this video.